Used to get my hair done, used to have my nails long, used to wearing makeup every day. Used to rush to work and have no time for fun, and spend half of my life on full highways. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town, home with the family, all new reality. Four walls and a door, nothing's like before, you and me and no distractions. So let's just keep it simple. There's so much we can do at home. Build a fort in the living room, have a pillow fight, grilled cheese in our bedroom. Look at stars and eyes, keep it simple. Disconnect the telephone, rip up all the calendars, cancel every plan, catch up on The Bachelor. We'll see life begin the day we kept it simple. Always used to worry, always in a hurry, let all of the minutes just fly by. Focus on the wrong things, double tapping, scrolling, fall asleep while asking myself why. Then the world closed down, stuck inside this town, home with the family, all new reality. Four walls and a door, nothing's like before, you and me and no distractions. So let's just keep it simple. There's so much we can do.
Hola, mamá. Sorionak. ¡Ah, qué pena!
Dappled sunlight and barely feel awake. Count the minutes of all the time I'd waste. I scream at the top of my lungs when I'm tired of a life on the run in fear of what I could have done again. And I feel like I'm chasing the sun, and I hope when it's all said and done, this voice, I'm pushing it out of my head. We're taking it over.
Isn't it pretty? Look at the way it smiles.
It's cute. Baina en plan...
Te quiero mucho.
Guys, I got married.
하늘과 땅과 우리만 아는 저 별에 너와 내가 떨어지면 어떨까 너도 알게 될까 내게 잘해줄까 눈물은 보이지 않게 지금 뒤돌아보지 않을게 알아보기 만들어 기다린 게 아니야 내 뼈와 살이 깎으며 좀 바뀌려
Se había bajado. Ya tengo que se había bajado este pelo. Y yo, que se caga. ¿Has visto? Es que cada vez la han hecho así. Igual no he escuchado el sonido que he hecho. He hecho mucho ruido.
Boo.
Welcome to my home. Es que yo me he echado una siesta, pero es que no.
Ya. Que a quién se le ocurre ir a mear al
Ha terminado ya el de Ingo.
Sí, o sea, tío,
Lo suyo habría que esconderlo.